Hey guys, just finishing up the old Shelby here, getting ready to go deliver it. Thought we'd give you a chance to take a good look. The front fenders are just sitting on there. They're not adjusted, so I don't want to hear any wisecracks about the door gaps. But she's all polished. The owner's going to take it from here and finish assembling it. I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to take a peek. It's turned out really nice. And this will get buffed one more time after he's assembled it. We'll go back and do a good detail on it, clean it up real nice. But she turned out really nice. All righty, guys, have a good day. Just wanted to get that last shot at it.